Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, auto park assist, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, going to this all black interior, paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, your seat memory right above it. Comes equipped with the Harmon Kardon sound system. And here with the wooden chrome accents, you got the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Onto these seats, you got these power adjustable, heated and cooled seats with the Overland badging. Super nice. Then, left side, you're going to have your ventilation as well as your lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition. And the right side will be your gap adjuster and cruise control. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information as well as your gauges here. You can also access your driver assistance as well as adaptive cruise, fuel economy, trip information, auto stop, and all that fun stuff. As well as you're gonna have push to start and onto the infotainment. So you got the heated cooled seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access navigation here. Got the full map, climate controls, as well as you can access your backup camera. Pretty straightforward. You got your climate controls on the bottom here, as well as lane departure warning, eco and sport mode, and park assists. You're gonna have two USB ports with 12 volt as well, some extra storage. And here you got your drive mode selector, as well as your hill descent control and Quadra suspension. You got the double glove box, or sorry, not glove box, center console, I apologize. Passenger side, same finish. You can see that Overland badging again, the Harmon Kardon sound system, speakers and vents up top as well. And then here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, power trunk release, as well as that panoramic sunroof. So you got these 20-inch wheels and Bridgestone tires. You got the Grand Cherokee badging with the chrome mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. You got the luggage rack up top, tinted rear glass in the back, as well as the dual exhaust with your trailer hitch. Into the back here, you got the split seats as well as the sub. You got extra storage as well, and extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Rear interior, you're going to have the cup holder storage right next to the speaker. Power windows with chrome accent again. Back. You got pretty decent legroom, mesh storage behind each of the seats with rear ventilation, USB ports, as well as an AC wall port and heated rear seating. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the sides, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as heated and cooled seats, tow hooks, navigation, drive mode selector, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.